Hello, so today I'm going to talk about the toggle function in the Notion, but in OneNote. So one of the most important or impressive thing about Notion is that it can have a toggle function which hide all the subpoints of a major point. For example, like this, what is the most important thing in life? And this is the toggle. Relationships, and you can have a subpoints and so on. So I don't use Notion because it is a paid service. So, and also other thing is that I'm deeply rooted in OneNote and other Microsoft services. So I wanted to duplicate this function in OneNote until I found out this function has been there all the time. So let's see how to do it. So this is OneNote, and it can be done easily by doing this. You hover over the top point and see this handle here, double click it. And there you can see a plus, and when you want to open, you just double click this plus. And that's all. Thank you.